growth and development. What is the, let's go through questions of your paper. Best indicator of. I am looking at 3 different questions from FMGE exam. Growth of a child. What is the best indicator of development? And what is the best indicator of nutritional status? What is the best indicator of growth of a child? Weight, height, mid-arm circumference, chest circumference, or head circumference? Single parameter you have to measure. Weight, height, head circumference, chest circumference, mid-arm circumference. Yes, you are right. It is weight. If they give you choices in combination of indicators, weight for age, weight for height, height for age, mid-arm circumference for age, weight for age, weight for height, height for age, mid-arm circumference for age. It is right, weight for age. Which is the best indicator of development of a child? Same choices, weight, height, mid-arm circumference, head circumference, chest circumference. Think of development of a child. It is again same, weight or weight for age. See why height is not taken as a useful indicator for growth and development. There are 2 reasons. Height is constitutional. If parents are tall, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan will be tall. If parents have lesser height, like Yajwinder Chahal, then there is an expectation child may also have a lesser height, right? Second important reason, weight takes a lot of time to change also, friends. Remember this thing. Weight takes a lot of time to change. Sorry, height takes a lot of time to change, friends. Please remember. If there is a pneumonia, diarrhea, child will immediately lose weight. But if you keep on monitoring height, height takes a lot of time to change. By the time height you keep on monitoring, child will land up into chronic malnutrition. That we should keep in mind. How do you assess nutritional status of a child? Next question of FMG paper. How do you assess nutritional status of a child? Answer is again same. Weight or weight for age. Now, once in your exam, they asked a question, which of the following is the best indicator of nutritional status? And this best indicator was not given in the choice. So now you will have to mark second best indicator for nutritional status. So friends, what is the second best indicator of nutritional status? Very right. Mid-arm circumference. Mid-arm circumference. Absolutely.